Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Below is a comprehensive tutorial on Pytorch for deep learning, structured to guide you through the foundational concepts, practical implementations, and code examples. This tutorial is designed to get you up to speed with Pytorch for machine learning and deep learning tasks. Table of contents. 1. Introduction to Pytorch. 2. Getting started with Pytorch. Installation. Tensors. 3. Autograd, automatic differentiation. 4. Building neural networks. 5. Training a neural network. 6. Working with datasets and dataloaders. 7. Saving and loading models. 8. Example project, image classification. 9. Conclusion. 1. Introduction to Pytorch. Pytorch is an open-source deep learning framework developed by Facebook's AI Research Lab. It's known for its flexibility, dynamic computation graph, and ease of use, making it a popular choice for both research and production. 2. Getting started with Pytorch. Installation. To install Pytorch, you can use pip or conda. Run the following command based on your system configuration. Tensors. Tensors are the core data structure in Pytorch, similar to numpy arrays but with additional capabilities for GPU acceleration. 3. Autograd, automatic differentiation. Pytorch provides an automatic differentiation library called autograd, which automatically computes gradients for tensor operations. 4. Building neural networks. Pytorch provides the torch.nn module for building neural networks. You can define models by subclassing nn.module. 5. Training a neural network. To train a neural network, you need to define a loss function and an optimizer. 6. Working with datasets and dataloaders. Pytorch provides torch.utils.data for managing datasets and loading batches of data. 7. Saving and loading models. You can save and load models using torch.save and torch.load. 8. Example project, image classification. In this example, we will perform image classification using the NIST dataset. 9. Conclusion. This tutorial has introduced you to the basics of Pytorch for deep learning. You learned about tensors, automatic differentiation, building and training neural networks, and working with datasets. The image classification example provided a hands-on application of these concepts. For further learning, consider exploring advanced topics such as transfer learning, hyperparameter tuning, model evaluation and metrics, deployment of Pytorch models. Happy coding! Certainly. Below is an informative tutorial on Pytorch for deep learning and machine learning, covering the basics to more advanced topics. I will provide code examples to illustrate key concepts. Pytorch tutorial for deep learning. Table of contents. 1. Introduction to Pytorch. 2. Setting up Pytorch. 3. Tensors in Pytorch. 4. Autograd, automatic differentiation. 5. Building a neural network. 6. Training the network. 7. Evaluating the model. 8. Saving and loading models. 9. Example, image classification with Safar 10. 10. Conclusion. 1. Introduction to Pytorch. Pytorch is an open-source deep learning framework that provides a flexible and efficient platform for building and training neural networks. It is particularly favored for its dynamic computation graph and ease of use. 2. Setting up Pytorch. To get started with Pytorch, you need to install it. You can install it via pip. 3. Tensors in Pytorch. Tensors are the fundamental data structures in Pytorch, similar to numpy arrays but with additional capabilities for GPU acceleration. Creating tensors. Basic operations. For autograd, automatic differentiation. Autograd is Pytorch's automatic differentiation engine that powers neural network training. Example of autograd. 5. Building a neural network. Pytorch provides the torch.nn module to help build neural networks. Example, simple feed-forward network. 6. Training the network. Training involves feeding data to the model, calculating loss, and updating weights. Example, training loop. 7. Evaluating the model. After training, evaluate the model's performance on unseen data. 8. Saving and loading models. You can save and load trained models using torch.save and torch.load. Saving the model. Loading the model. 9. Example, image classification with Safar 10. Let's implement a simple image classification task using Safar 10 dataset. Loading Safar 10 dataset. Building a convolutional neural network. Training the CNN. 10. Conclusion. This tutorial provided an overview of Pytorch and its capabilities for building and training deep learning models. We covered setting up Pytorch, working with tensors, using autograd, building a neural network, training and evaluating the model, saving and loading models. A practical example with the Safar 10 dataset. Feel free to explore Pytorch's official documentation, https://pytorch.org/docs/stable/index.html, for more advanced features and functionalities. Happy coding!